I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. Today we're actually playing the PRV horn, the new one, the WG2500PY Slim. It's the polyamide compression driver, the 2-inch, with the slim horn and whatnot. Of course, y'all can see right there. Y'all see it right here to my right. Y'all want to pause the video? It's 200 watts or whatnot, but as y'all can see, max peak power is 400 watts and 200 watts RMS, 8 ohm impedance, 107 dB sensitivity, and 2.5 inch voice coil. The minimum power handling is 100 watts. So y'all see the baffle cutout is 5.75 and 5.45 in mountain deck. Y'all see it right here. I'm gonna move it on over. Y'all can see it's real short. Got some weight on it. It's not a small horn at all. So really this time we're just gonna be playing, of course, copyright free music or whatnot. We're not playing a whole lot of this. I'm overpowering these, so they'll let you know what I got going on. I do have a PRV SQ3500 on this horn here. Definitely don't do that, you know, but I'm gonna do it for video purposes only. So don't do this at home. If you do, just know you probably need to buy you another what do you call it, diaphragm. You'll probably need you another diaphragm pretty quick. So definitely don't do this, you know. But I'm gonna do this for y'all. Excuse me. All right. I got this on low volume due to the fact I got a 3500 watt on this one PRV horn. So you definitely don't want to overpower this deal. I wouldn't do it, but like I said, I just do this stuff for y'all on a test and to let y'all see what it can do. If you've seen my other videos, y'all know I run 5 SQ3500s, the PRV model. So if there's something you want to, you can run 8 of these on one of their 1 ohm models, or you can run 16 of these on the half ohm model. You may want to go out of the way with it, you know, of course. Like I say, it's a nice size horn driver. It's good for doors or whatnot, or wherever you want to put it. Of course, I'm sure you could change out the wave guide on it. Excuse me. With the 4 bolts, you unbolt it, put whatever other kind you want to put on it. Like I said, it's a great item to have if you want to upgrade the sound on your build or whatnot. So definitely, you know, you want to upgrade. Definitely looking to getting this WG2500PY. Y'all can see right there. Let y'all can stop and pause if y'all want to see that. And you might want to pair it with, these will be the Neos, or you know, maybe even the mid bass. Or maybe all 3, and you can really make it sound good. And then you might want to add those right there in with it, make it even better. So, you know, that's up to you. You know, we're gonna do the video on these tweeters next. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to stay tuned for the next video. So be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. And like I say, I got all the videos with the unboxing and testing on the Neos, the Forte right here, the mid bass, and I also have the one on the full range right here. So if that's something you want to, you know, check out or whatnot, be sure to click on the PRV playlist I got as well as the slim mid-range. Let me get it out the box right there. Those sound perfect, but come in a budget price as well. But you know, if you want to get some good product, be sure to check it out, and be sure to check out the videos as well. I ain't gonna drag this out too long, but of course you get that. You get the SQ3500. You will need a DSP with it because it's like an external control deal. So you will probably want to get this right here. If you want to go with the Bluetooth option, you can control it with your phone or whatnot, or you can get the PRV DSP 2.8 or the 2.4. The 2.8 comes with 8 outputs. The 2.4 comes with 4 outputs. 2.8, 2.4, 2 different ones. So they all get the job done. So be sure to like, subscribe. If that's something that you need, be sure to go ahead and pick you up some of those at prvaudio.com, or you can use the link down below, support the channel. It still be prvaudio.com either way. But be sure to like, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. Be sure to tune in for the Twitter video.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.